Dito po tayo ngayon sa I Love Cityscape. At ang nag-drive po ay ang aking wife. No bringing of in or outside food.
And the point is enjoying who you share it with.
Look at me sometimes like all
Who
you
you
want
share
to
it
do
with.
is run. Hear me out,
And the week
hear me out.
and the weekend
If
keep it close to you. Inside
Maganda yung lugar. Thank you sa pagdala mo sa akin dito.
but if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you and
So, anong masasabi mo sa food? What can you say, man? Ba? Medyo ano mo na muna rin?